When it comes to Hall of Fame elections, Ray Lewis should be a shoo-in first ballot choice to join the football legends in Canton. The 13-time Pro Bowler and Super Bowl 35 MVP had the current season cut drastically short by a torn muscle he suffered last month. Many are wondering if the legendary linebacker will be able to continue his storied career. David Kaplan has more from an expert with Midwest Orthopaedics at Rush, shedding some light on Lewis's road to recovery.
So he tore his triceps completely, and he tore it off of the insertion on the bone at the elbow. So he must have had, I believe he had a pop, and he had pain immediately.
For 17 NFL years, Ray Lewis has been the ultimate symbol of invincibility and high energy. Game 6 of this year was no different, until an injury cut his season drastically short.
It's the muscle behind the arm, and while we have several different muscles that allow us to bring our hand to our mouth, the only muscle that allows us to straighten our arm is the triceps. And it's the strongest muscle and one of the most important of function of the upper extremity.
After the injury, Lewis played 5 more snaps and even made a tackle, but the damage was done.
The tendon pulls away from the bone, so the whole muscle retracts, and then no longer is the muscle attached to the tip of the arm. So while you're trying to straighten, there's nothing that occurs because the muscle is no longer able to pull the forearm into extension. The tendon is simply sewed back to its insertion on the bone. So the operation is relatively easy. The healing is relatively predictable. We expect the tendon to heal back somewhere between 8 and 12 weeks. It probably will take him another month to get his strength back.
But beyond the procedure of repair comes the challenge for Lewis to get back to full strength. He'll be 38 when or if he returns to the field. But the odds of medicine are on his side.
No one wants to have an injury, but this trauma, the triceps rupture, if you're going to have one, is something that one can recover from. Now, he's 37, but if it heals, there should be no reason he can't come back with respect to his elbow.